Hello my friends, this is my art journal and I want to do a flip through for you. This has a combination of several different collaborations in it, and when I first started collaging in some collaborations, I noticed that I didn't make a note of what they were, but I could mention to you that one would be by Caroline on the Hillside, of her Hillside Heart Prompts. And then the other would be by Life with Patty, and she does artisan journal prompts. So I think the beginning pages were of those collaborations. Then as we flip through, like here I notice what the prompts were, but I can't remember the collab. But then this one, I did put a date on it. I don't remember which collab this was, but this was June 8th, 2024. And then this was another one with prompts. And then this was some collaging I did just for fun. This was also June 8th, 2024. I was going through a little bit of an emotional time, and so I wanted to sit down with my art journal and just do some collaging. Now this was a collage that I created out of some Amazon packaging that I used and did some mixed media on and then collaged over it. And this was a lot of fun. I think I did this on a live, maybe with Lori of Enchanted Dream 71. It was either Lori or Darcy of Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media. So that's where these collages came from. I really love how these turned out, but I think these were with Lori of Enchanted Dream 71. This one was just a day of collage time, just to sort of sit and relax and have a good time putting things on paper. Now this was Junk Journal July, Day 6, Wildlife. This was Junk Journal July, Day 20, and the prompt was picture. This was just another fun one, and it says you deserve better, and the girls, they have their beach ball, but they're having to run around in spaghetti, so I thought that was pretty funny. This was Junk Journal July, Day 21. The prompt was colors, and you can see it's quite colorful. This was just another fun one. We have a ballerina, and she is doing ballet in front of a big thing of popcorn. So I just thought that was cute. This one was for the Altered Head Challenge on Two Sister Jam on Facebook. Had a lot of fun with that. Most people alter the head of a person, but I chose to do it with a dog, and I just thought that was cute. Junk Journal July, Day 21 was Spark. This was one, it was Junk Journal July 2 and 3, and I had to do a little note to myself. But I remember one of the prompts were postcard and fold. And so here was the postcard, and then here was a fold that I did, and just did some personal journaling. This was Junk Journal July, Day 4, and the prompt was labels. This was Day 5, and the prompt was lettering. This one, the window opens, which I love, and that was Day 7, and the prompt was window. Day 8, observe. Day 9 was scraps. Day 10 was thread, and you can see I used some thread there. Day 11 was stamps, and I used a mermaid stamp, but also real stamps. This was Shuffle, Cut, Create with Martha Makes Art, and her prompts were basket and furniture. Junk Journal July, Day 12 was packaging, and I used Amazon paper and also the label from a package of paint brushes, I should say. Day 13 was light. Day 14 was weather. 15 was homemade. 16 was petal. 17 was aged, and we have 3 stages of a woman's life. Day 18 was free. 19 was tag, and I love this tag, and I may end up putting that in a journal that I create if I remember it's in there and I grab it. Yeah, this is day 22, and it was timeless, and I I decided to use love as my inspiration because love is timeless. Day 23 was tip in. Day 24 was ephemeral, which means lasting for a short time, and fashion does. Day 25 was tea-dyed. 26 was shade. I love this. 27 was poetic, and there's a poem underneath all of this other writing. 28 was buttons. 29 was contrast. 30 was shine. You can see how shiny this page is. And I'm sorry, wait, I can't have two 30s. Hold on. Shine is 30 and 31 is celebrate. And so I'm going to have to make a little correction there. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. One thing I love, well, there's a lot of things I love about Junk Journal July and Junk Journal January, is that I don't worry about stuff like that. I do these just for fun, and it is a lot of fun. And so I hope that you enjoyed my art journal. I really enjoyed all of the collages that I did in here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.